document ko yung pasok mo. Tingnan natin yan. Iba-vlog ko na.
And ensure that we do so with new ideas and inspiration. Again, welcome to Veterans Memorial Medical Center and welcome to the 7th Annual Convention of Biomed Society of the Philippines.
Hanggang ngayong pang-7th convention natin, nandito pa rin kayo. Unang pasalamatan ko siyempre ang ating mga participants, tapos ang ating mga sponsors to make these things possible, ang ating mga speaker na tutulong sa atin para dito sa ating pinaka-objective for this annual convention. The Biomed Society of the Philippines, we are committed in raising
Sayo, dali, dapat dito kayo, nakakawa kayo eh.
Anak, dito ka nga sa taas, anak. Ayan. Videohan mo, picturean mo sila. Tapos, hahanapin niya yung sumayaw. Sayo para sa amin.
Pare, sayo.
Mana? Ayan, Sir Paul. Push!
That's why we do calibration and verification. So let me start. Again, I'm Marilyn Salazar from the NNL, TIUST, totally exists to 1
ECG at high level output. It simulates NSR, ST elevation and ST depression.
So maraming mga regulations. Even si DOH, may sarili rin siyang regulation. Okay? Now, si ISO, unifies all of those requirements.
We have certified itong standards na ito.
sa ating mga industries, we have some takeaways